Yo, what's going on, everybody? Going to work. Today's Tuesday, the 18th, August the 18th. Man, we was off yesterday. I don't know how much more I could take it being off. Ain't making no money. I'm definitely looking for another job. Just finna brush my teeth, put some lotion on me and stuff, and finna step out this house and get on out of here and stuff. I know I show y'all both of my setups right here. This is my room setup. With the red. Now this supposed to be red. I don't know why the alien is not red, but it's supposed to be red and stuff. I have to get me another circuit breaker back there. Get me another circuit breaker and then hide the wires. I didn't really do much with this right here because the simple fact is these white drawers right here, the light on. These white drawers, I'm not keen for them. So I'm trying to find the drawers like I get in my office. Some white drawers to go with this right here. Then I can bolt it, screw it down, paint all that over. So all this is temporary right now and stuff. My Alienware, I took it to Best Buy. It could not be upgradable. So if you buy an Alienware computer, remember one thing: they cannot be upgraded. You can put certain things on it, but because of the power core, it's gonna be very certain stuff you can put on it. I find that out Friday when the person told me about it. So what I do in this room right here, basically, is fine. Now the SSD card, I will be adding another SSD card to give it a little more power on that and stuff. So I still got some more lights you see over there. I know you can see still some more lights right there that I might put around the TV so you can mesh, the redness. I won this. This is the Google Home. I won that this past Friday, and I went and got this right here and whatnot. Both of them. This is the Echo something. Shit. I can tell you in a minute. See, that's the Echo Home Hub and stuff. I wish I had won the other one with the camera on it. Like people I could video chat and stuff. And this one here is the Echo Show right here. So this right here, I won this and I went ahead and got that and stuff. Gotta get myself ready for work and crank my car up. Put this right here. It's 4 o'clock. Let me cut the LSD lights off on this. It's not responding. Why is it not responding? There you go. Got my phone over here. See, I sleep with a CPAP machine. Right now I got it clean. I gotta crank my car up, get myself ready for the JOB. Alright. Car gonna crank up in a little bit. And guess what, y'all? I'm finished with this. Y'all would not see me add no more stuff, just another light. I might go to Amazon or order another light because I want that light shine on both sides. These lights are so bright and stuff, but that's how it is on this one. I haven't decided to put the lights around the TV yet. I don't know. I haven't decided done that yet and stuff. So you see I got the foam over here, foam over there and stuff. I still haven't taken that dust and sand it. Hopefully next weekend I can sand it. And again, I might just throw it out. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But I got to really clean up in here because I'm going to get a futon bed to put up in here. So you can see that my printer right there. It's a good printer. But the guy was telling me to get he was telling me to get one of them laser ones. But we're not going to get it for right now. Let me cut the lights off on this. How you like that background? The wallpaper. I'm going to strip it to Kobe. And I did put, that steering wheel. You see the pedal. It's underneath there. Yeah, so I'm going to get myself ready to get on out of here. Go to work. End up doing more videos later on today. Peace. So one thing I want to tell y'all about driving a truck in the city. We here in Fairfax, and I'm driving in the city limits. The one thing you have to remember of driving trucks in the city limits, even though the speed limit says 30 miles per hour, you go slower. You go about 5 miles per hour slower. Because you gotta remember, when they make the city,
in 700 feet, turn right on North Street, PA 236.
They made the city not for trucks. You have to watch the cars. You gotta watch when you turn. Like, I don't know, y'all see right here, I'm coming up with a fire hydrant. And I gotta avoid that fire hydrant. So I gotta turn wide, almost in the lane with this pretty girl. And watch the tandems to make sure I go around this curve. And then, when I'm in the city, I kind of stop, by a couple of feet from the white line. I do that because some people might be trying to beat the light, the crosswalk light, and they'll cut in front of you. So when the light turn red, that give me enough time to really look and make sure that nobody don't cut in front of the truck. Or if somebody cut in front of the truck, I'd be able to see them. I see the light change, I'm taking my time, I'm looking both ways, looking to my right, I'm looking to my left, I'm looking to my right, make sure nobody walking, and make sure no cars just keep trying to go. You have some idiot will run the red light. And believe me, I do not like driving in the city with a big truck. I better like to drive in the car. I do not go in DC, I do not go in Baltimore unless I have to. So I gotta turn real wide, get in the lane, leave turn signal on, because in a ninth of a mile, I gotta make a left turn up here. Kind of go to the next stop. See, that speed limit is 35. You know, I do 30. So I go a little, about 5 miles per hour slower in the city. Now, if you go to a congested, I'm probably pushing that word, congested area, you probably do 10 miles slower. Now, even though I'm in this left lane, if I was going farther down the road, I would stay in the right lane. But, you know, right now I'm on the 5th of a mile, that's why I went to the left lane. Because sometimes, you know, when you wait till, say you go 2/10 of a mile and try to get over, if you got cars on that left lane, they ain't gonna let you over sometimes. So, you gotta kind of, you know, do this left lane so you can get over and make that turn on time. I always advise anybody, if you gotta make a left turn or any kind of turn to the left and you need to get in the left lane, do it about a mile or
in 0.2 miles,
say 8/10 of a mile and get over in that left lane. That gives you enough time to get over in that left lane to make your left turn. Even if you have to make a right turn and you say you're in the left lane or you're in the middle lane, you need to make that right turn, do it about an 1/8 or 1/10 of a mile or even a mile. Do it about a mile down the road and get in that lane so you can make that turn. So that is something, you know, that I do to prevent accidents, to prevent, you know, keep myself safe, that I don't hit nothing. So, like I say, this is something about a life of a truck driver, you know. A life of a truck driver, you know, we got to anticipate a lot of things. You know, we got to anticipate a lot. And that's something that we always got to do. You got to anticipate a lot of stuff when you're driving a truck. So, like I said, I'm gonna try to make this left turn at this light whenever this light changes. Turn, safe, sound, and I'm gonna end up going to my next customer about 2.6 miles down the road, get unload there, and then go on and do most of my stops. So if I get a chance, I'll do some more videos. You know, this is the life of a truck driver. Yo, what's going on there? What's going on there, YouTube? I'm home, long day work, drinking a beer. Finna go to bed. I have to get up at 1:30, be at work at 2. Got to load to go to Pennsylvania. Man, I am tired. I'm gonna try to get me an early sleep tonight. Right now, you see what I'm doing right now. I'm looking at a video and I'm finna edit this video. And that's on my gamer channel. Check that out. But yeah, I'm tired. Soon I finish editing this video, I'm going to bed. I'll do a video in the morning when I kind of get up. Other than that, peace, y'all.